Don't know if I can replicate that.
New indicators for the bike that can't even turn on, let alone turn.
That's 5 minutes away from being sorted out. It really is.
I need to have a look at this to see why it's not loving me. It does look a bit shit. So today, if I can figure out the electrical issue, even if I can't do that, because I'll have to get a new battery anyway, what I will do is just fit the new lights, because I've got 4. They can all just get fitted, because this light comes off, just pops off all the time. The other one is starting to crack, so that's limited anyway. Its days are numbered. As I said before, this one that I do have for this wasn't working, so I need to figure out why that wasn't working. The other one does work on that side and at the back as well, but either way I'm probably just going to change them all. See what that does. Don't know if I can replicate that. So what the fuck is that? Well, that definitely needs sorting out. Don't know if contact cleaner will be enough. That bit there, I don't know what that's all about. That little piece there, that's what the bolt goes onto. The little screw, whatever you want to call it. All of this stuff, I don't know what that's all about. Either way, I'll clean it up, see if that does anything. It does look like there's like chip-ins, like it doesn't look great. All of that crap. Might just need a new battery entirely. Right, that's with it cleaned up a little bit. It's not great, but might be enough. The battery's on a full charge and it's still not starting it up, so this does look quite old. Yeah, I mean the state of that, it does look like it could be that. I might order this, connect that up and see what it does. I mean that's well chalky that, so it's obviously been on it a while. I don't think a clean is going to do anything because it just looks old. Maybe it's failed, I don't know. So we'll do a test of this tonight, see how we get on. So this will go back on, connect it up here, put the battery on, see how we get on. Well, that doesn't help, does it?